Good morning, dear students. It's our English class. I hope you all are safe and good at home and you are enjoying your online classes. So, in this class, we are going to read our chapter number 3, Sid's Birthday Party. So, in this chapter, we will read about Sid's birthday party. As you can see, some of the pictures are there in this. Which pictures remind you of your birthday celebration? As you can see, there is a cake, balloons, and two children. They are in the library. So whenever you will see cake or balloons, you will remind your birthday. Isn't it? Yes, I am right. And next, more pictures we have, like there is a gift and two children. They are in the birthday party and there is a tree. So gift and children, they are also involved in the birthday party. But tree, we can't see tree in the birthday party, na? Yes. So with the help of the pictures, you can guess that we are going to read a chapter related to birthday party. So let's start our chapter. In this chapter, there is a boy whose name is Sid. Today is a very special day for Sid. He is very excited. You know the meaning of excited? Very happy. He jumps out of bed quickly with a big smile on his face. Why he was very happy? Why he was very excited? Because it was his birthday today. And he shouts, "Mummy, where are you? Mummy." Because he was very happy. It was his birthday today. That's why he was very happy. He was very excited. When he was shouting, his mother replied, "Good morning, Sid. Come to the kitchen, dear," because she was in the kitchen. And Sid asked, "What are you cooking, Mama?" "I guess it is something tasty," asked Sid. Then his mother replied, "Yeah, I am making cutlets, dosa and poha." And then the cake has, he was asking, "Okay, now these things you are cooking at home, but what about cake?" Then his mother replied, "Oh, why are you worried about cake? It has been ordered already. And now I am going to buy some sweets." Then saying so, she hugs and kisses her son and then wished him a very happy birthday. His father also comes in carrying a big packet. "Happy birthday, son," says father. And he lifted Sid on his shoulders. "Your grandfather and grandmother have also sent you a nice gift." Whose grandfather and grandmother? Sid's grandfather and Sid's grandmother. And his father said, "Your aunt will be coming in the evening, and uncle also sends his best wishes." "Why isn't uncle coming?" asked Sid. Then Sid asked, "Okay, aunt is coming, but why uncle is not coming?" He was feeling disappointed. Disappointed means sad. "He is not in town," says mother. but your aunt has promised to come, and Abhay uncle will also be there. So you are going to have many guests. And oh, then Sid was very happy. He said, "Oh, that's good." He feels happy when he sees the beautiful gift his parents have brought. Wow, skates! Just the thing I wanted, because it was his favorite. Sid is ready and waiting to receive his guests. Receive means when we welcome a person. And the clock strikes 4 in the evening. It was 4 o'clock and it was time to celebrate Sid's birthday. And then the doorbell rings and many people start walking in. They are either friends or relatives. "Look at those balloons," exclaims Daksh, looking up at the ceiling and walls. Ceiling means roof, and they are of different colors, different sizes and different shapes. Lovely. Come on everybody. We are going to have fun. Sid's friends are very happy to see the colorful streamers. Streamers are the things that we use to decorate our houses or a birthday party. Sid keeps the return gifts in pouches for them. And before starting the party, they played many indoor games. Indoor games means the games that we can play inside the house. And the games were passing the parcel, musical chairs and statue. And after that, when they were playing, Sid's mother called everyone that, "Come on children, it's time to cut the cake." And this time Sid was very happy because he is going to cut the cake. Now Sid blows out the candles and cut the cake. And all the children clapped and sang the song "Happy Birthday to You," the birthday song. And after the cutting of the cake, everybody was having their food. And Ruhan, Sid's friend, he said to his mother, "Auntie, the food is very yummy." And this time his food mouth was full with food. He said, "The cutlets are very tasty, they are the best." After having that tasty food, the children run out to the garden. Why they went to the garden? Because they want to play more. And this time the party is over and everybody was going to their home. Sid said, "This is the best birthday I have ever had." And Sid thanked everyone for coming and making his birthday great and full of fun. When everybody was going, then Sid said, "Don't forget to take the pouches, please." What were there in the pouches? In the pouches, there were return gifts for all of them. And he waved out to his friends. Now everybody has left and the house is quiet again, because quiet means it was silence there, because the party was over and everybody had went back to their home. And this time Sid started open all the gifts, and there were many gifts he got. Among the gifts there are t-shirt, basketball and a cricket set and so many things. After opening all the gifts, he was very happy and this time he was tired and then he goes to sleep. So dear students, it was the chapter about Sid's birthday. He enjoyed his birthday and he had full of fun. So you will read this chapter at home and you will do the worksheet that I am going to share with you in your notebooks. Thank you. Bye-bye.